Happy Saturday night, y'all. As usual, you know I like to cook, but last night I was doing a little experiment in the kitchen with drinks and whatnot, and accidentally stumbled across a drink that I came up with that's pretty fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and show this to y'all right quick. Check this out. I promise you it's good. All right, so we're gonna start out with 2 parts milk. I'm using 1/3 because it's just the size I'm making, but 2 parts of whole milk. 1, 2. Now to that 2 parts whole milk, we're gonna add 1 part of granulated sugar. Nice and sweet. We'll go ahead and stir it up. Stir it up till it's blended real good. As best as you can get it. Oops. Try not to spill like I just did. Alright, here's where it starts to get a little interesting at. Here's where it gets a little interesting at. You just gotta trust me on this. Before we do that, before we get real interesting, let me backpedal a little bit. We're gonna add 1 part of your favorite whiskey. I'm gonna go with Crown Royal. A little bit of Crown Royal in there. Now we're gonna get interesting. Barks Red Cream Soda. Just trust me. 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Barely made it. Alright. Give this a little blend. I didn't anticipate it to rise this high in this cup. I made a much smaller batch of it last night. Just to try it out. Blend this pretty good. To clean this all up after. Lord have mercy. Pour over ice. Look how thick this stuff is. Talk about delicious. There you have it. I'm not sure what it's called. Just kind of created it myself, came up with it. It's definitely pink. And it's definitely delicious. Could drink a gallon of stuff. Try it out. You won't be disappointed.